back to RIA'S World of Ideas. Today's video I'm super excited about because it's actually a collaboration video and it's hosted by two YouTubers that I've recently found on YouTube and gotten into watching their videos, and it's Yami from the Latina Next Door and Kristin from Kristin Kay. The Yami from the Latina Next Door, she does these Look for Less collaborations every month, and every month she always picks somebody to host with her, kind of partner up with her to host with her. And so this month, for the month of March, she picked Kristin from Kristin Kay's YouTube channel to host with her the March Look for Less collaboration. So they did an open invite to anybody who wanted to collaborate with them, and so I was so excited because I really like their videos. I love the DIYs that they do, and so the fact that they did this open call for us to be able to collaborate with them and add our videos to their playlist, I was super excited about. So today's video I'm going to do a Look for Less, and it's going to be on a kind of like a farmhouse style ladder wall shelf that I saw. I believe I was kind of just looking on Google and I found this picture, and it was somebody who made it actually on Etsy, I can't even say that, Etsy, and they were charging $54.99 for this farmhouse style ladder wall shelf. And even though that it could be probably cheaper to some of you guys and the high-end stuff, that's still a lot for me, and I knew I could do that for much less with Dollar Tree items. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. I do a lot of Dollar Tree DIYs. I love taking things and recreate them with Dollar Tree items, and so that's what I'm going to do today. And my look only costs $6 to recreate if you don't include the paint and the glue, because I already had it on hand. But if you do include the paint and the glues, it's basically still going to come around $10 to recreate this. So if you would like to see how I made my version of a farmhouse style ladder wall shelf for only $6, and then stay tuned to this video. So the piece that I'm recreating, I told you guys I found on Etsy, and it is this wall shelf right here. And as you can see, it does have a chicken wire in the back. You actually have an option to pick your color and also pick if you want the chicken wire. And if you want the chicken wire, it is actually $59.99, but I'm actually going to recreate it without the chicken wire for $54.99 because I like the look without the chicken wire. But you can do it any way you want when you recreate this yourself. There's also different finishes that you can do. I like the light finishes of the first two pictures, but they also had it where you can order the brown finishes as well with the chicken wire and without. And it looks beautiful either way. It depends on what you're going for. The wood that I'll be using to recreate this shelf is these little wood wall plaques that I showed you guys that I hauled in my Dollar Tree haul from Dollar Tree, and I got five pieces each. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the two that says Bless Our Home because they're similar in size and they have the similar size holes in the back, and I'm going to use those to be the sides of my shelf. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a hole with my drill so that I have a place to put the rope in it to hang the shelf. Next, I'm going to be removing the stickers on the back of this piece of wood before I start painting, and it was kind of hard to take these stickers out, so I did have to use a butter knife to scrape it off, and then I just took some sandpaper and sanded off the rest of the residue so that there was none of that finish left on the wood. Now I'm going to start assembling my wood pieces to create this shelf, and I'm going to start with the bottom piece first. And the glue that I'll be using for this project, you can find it at Dollar Tree. I'm going to be using a combination of the wood glue that I found at Dollar Tree, and I'm also going to be using that adhesive glue that I love using that's just like E6000. And I'm basically going to put, like I said, a combination of both of them to glue down my pieces into place because I feel like I like the bondness of both, and I really want this to be a sturdy shelf. Now after you put this together, you can add screws to it to make it more sturdy. I didn't because I didn't feel the need that I had to. Once I used both these glues together, this shelf was pretty sturdy. But again, you could always add screws at the end if you want. as I'm gluing down my pieces, I'm using this L shape ruler that I found at Dollar Tree in the tool section to keep everything aligned and straight. Once the glue dried and I knew it had a sturdy hold, then I started painting. So the paint that I'm using for this to start off with is the white craft paint that I always use in a lot of my projects that you can get at Walmart for 50 cents or this big bottle for I believe like $2.97. So I'm not gonna lie guys, this red wood was so hard to paint. As you can see when I'm painting, you're gonna see that the white paint is gonna start to look pink because the white paint was seeping into the wood, the red wood, and kind of mixing together. So this wood was very hard to paint. I actually had to do 3 coats of white paint to it just to get a good layer of white paint on it. Now if you want to do this project and make it completely white, then I would suggest you use spray paint because this craft paint was basically seeping through with the red wood and just turning pink. So luckily I was going to go in with a lighter gray to distress it, so I knew that even if these red tones were showing through, the gray would definitely cover it up. So this is how it looks after 3 coats of white paint, and as you can see guys, the redwood is still showing through, kind of looking pink. So if you want this to be completely white, I suggest again to use spray paint. But I knew I was going to go in with a lighter gray, which I also got at Walmart for 50 cents. And I knew I was going to distress it with the lighter gray, so I knew I would be able to hide those pink and reddish tones with the lighter gray. Now whenever I am distressing a piece of like wood to look more farmhouse, I love using paintbrushes that have those stiff bristles because you're able to move the paint around and give it that more aged farmhouse rustic wood look, as opposed if you use any paintbrush with softer bristles, the paint will just go directly on and you're not able to kind of play with it to make it look more aged. So I'm just going to keep going back and forth until I get the color that I want and kind of definitely cover up all those red tones and give it to more aged gray farmhouse look. Now this is the rope that I'll be using to hang this shelf, and again I got this at Walmart for $2.97, but Dollar Tree does have a version of this rope for $1, but I wasn't able to find it at my Dollar Tree. But I think that I actually got more bang for my buck at buying the one at Walmart because look at the size of this rope roll guys. You get so much of this rope for just $2.97, and it's way more than you get at the one that they give you at Dollar Tree for $1. So I would actually say that if you're into that farmhouse look and you know that you're going to use this rope more often, definitely pick up the one at Walmart instead because you get more rope for your money. So I'm tying the knots into 3 knots because I want to make sure that this rope does not go through the holes that I drilled, and I wasn't sure how thick the rope was going to be. That's why I drilled bigger holes, and I wanted to make sure that the rope went through. But you can always tie extra knots just to make sure that they don't go through the size hole that you make. I'm then going to cut off the excess piece of the excess piece near the knot so that you just have that knot look, and I don't want to cut it too close because I don't want it to unravel later on, but you can also add hot glue to the ends of that so you can make sure that it doesn't unravel. Then I'm just going to make a triangle to kind of see how much rope I'll need to tie for the other end, and then my project is complete. And this is the final look, you guys. You can use this shelf anywhere in your home, but I'm actually using it in my downstairs bathroom because my downstairs is all decorated in farmhouse style. So I knew this would go great with the decor that's already in my downstairs, and I needed something in my bathroom above the toilet. So this was just the perfect shelf to put there that didn't take up too much space in the small bathroom that I have. So that is how I took a shelf that I saw that was selling on Etsy for around $55 and recreated it with Dollar Tree items for around $6. And even though I had to get my rope from Walmart and it did cost me more than the one from Dollar Tree, they always have that rope at Dollar Tree. It just so happens that they didn't have it at my store this week. And if you do get a chance to purchase that, it will be right around $6. But again, also if you needed to purchase the paints for it and the glue, you would still come around $10, which is still way cheaper than the $54.99, and that's before shipping. Because anytime when you buy things on Etsy, of course you got to pay for shipping. Anything that you buy online, you got to pay for shipping. So that $54.99 doesn't even include the shipping, and you could basically recreate this for around $10 or $6 depending on whatever items you have at your house. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys found it helpful, and I hope I gave you guys some ideas on to recreate some, some decor pieces in your home, because you really don't have to spend a lot to decorate your home beautifully. You can take ideas from those expensive stores or even stuff online and recreate it with Dollar Tree items, with Walmart items, with stuff at Home Depot for way less. I want to say thank you to Yami from the Latina next door and Kristin from Kristin Kay for putting this out for us to be able to do this collaboration with you guys. I was so excited because I do enjoy you guys' videos. I look forward to all the new ones that always come out. I always comment on them, and because I just love the ideas that y'all come up with, the way that you guys can take something and recreate it. And so I really do enjoy your videos. So the fact that I was able to collaborate with you it was a joy. So thank you again. If you are new to my channel and you did enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe before you leave this video. Enjoy my YouTube family, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you're always notified on all the new videos that I'm putting out. And I am starting to bring out more DIYs lately because I've had so many ideas from other YouTubers to recreate different things in my home, and I'm trying to decorate my home for spring and summer, so there's always going to be some more Dollar Tree DIYs to come. And also, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button because that really does support my channel, and it lets me know the kind of videos that you guys like. And if you didn't enjoy this video, then hit the dislike button. But if you do hit the dislike button, let me know why you did like it. I always like constructive criticism, and I'm always letting you guys know that if you didn't like it, that's okay. Let me know. Just don't hit the thumbs down and then don't let me know. I want to know why you didn't enjoy the video so that I can improve on my videos for future videos for you guys, because I do all my videos for you guys. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out, and check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.